Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know if I'm gonna start my summer diaries or if I'm gonna keep doing my teenage diaries, because I had made a poll, but the folks is saying start the summer diaries, but I just started my freaking teenage diaries. So like, what should I do? But it is summer, but like I don't know what I'm gonna do, so we're gonna figure it out by the time I finish this video, because I got a lot of tricks up my sleeve for y'all right now. But we just gonna, y'all just gonna spend a couple days with me and stuff. Today we supposed to be going to the buffet, and I'm about to do Mimi hair, so I might put that clip in here. But Mimi finna come, her appointment at 2, and yeah, I'm just trying to see. Well, right now I'm doing my hair. I like to do my hair, so before my clients come, so I could feel cute with them, like. But she finna get 2 ponytails, so we really just gonna see what the title gonna be, cause I don't know, y'all. I really don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna just bring y'all with me today, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my hair when I'm done. I had to do it yesterday, but I'm straightening it, cause I had braided it and it got wavy. So I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you're the prince, and I'm at the bar. Fairy tales, I'm not used to that. Oh, you got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and more. I just think we ever be short. Lately I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love I wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. Can we no longer tell me how? Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hands? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let be true. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach.
Yeah, this is the ponytail. Well, I just did my edges. It's super tight, so it's like folded, but I don't know, I'm still the queen. The queen is dressed, and let's just go into detail with the fit. And we got Greg. Oh, well, we finna go actually. I thought we was waiting on Mimi, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get in the car. We go Tessie. Is that my bestie, Miss Tessie?
Yep, come on in.
Oh, are we loading? Driver, take me to Chanel. Y'all, we just got here. I'm about to, ooh, they kind of packed today. I'm about to take my pictures and we finna get to work. We finna get to business. Have a good one. Thank you. You too. You too.
Have a good one.
Our parents raised us with manners, so that's how we greet that's how we greet the people. Driver, take me to Chanel. Driver, take me to Chanel.
You want me to take a picture out here?
No, I want to take them right here. Yeah, they got this cute little scenery. It's so cute. And Greg can take my pictures right here. We finna eat. Oh, this is where we sat last time, y'all. Can I get Sprite? I love the scenery in this buffet. Like, it is so cheap. Driver, take me to Chanel. We got Mimi, the nail tech. Greg just went to the bathroom. We waiting for our drinks so I could get our food. And I'm gonna show y'all the scenery because it's so cute in here. I just took my pictures. Driver, take me to Chanel. This is what the place look like. I'm not gonna record when I'm getting my food, but oh, and they got pho, y'all. But I'm gonna make my plate, so I'm not recording. Don't call me big, but I got 2 plates. But I only got 2 plates because this right here is some stuff that I want to try. But this is like my actual plate. Greg and Mimi just went to go get pho. I'm gonna get mine after. They got these little kid plates. This Greg plate, and that's Mimi plate. Why she gonna get that pho? But I'm finna smash. Let me show you my plate, cause my plate tea. I got chicken and broccoli and rice, salted shrimp, lo mein, 5 shrimp, string beans, whatever, chicken. I think this is right, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. An egg roll, and I don't know what none of this is. That's disgusting. He is trying the pho. It look kind of good, no shade. It's good. Okay, babe. Y'all, I'm so full, like for real. I think this is rat, y'all, but it is so good. Get it full. I ain't even bring my tripod. I'm era. My food. I ain't put nothing in it yet, but I'm gonna put some sriracha. Hold on, my camera. Some sriracha. That's a lot. Some lime. I'll put some of this green stuff, but I'm not gonna do a lot. And some jalapenos, but not a lot of those either. I did too much. I just dragged it. My bowl. I'm scared. This shit better not be nasty. My food. If it's nasty, no, I want to say I'm sorry to whoever religion this is. Yeah.
First one. You need to get one of them balls. That's a
I'm gonna go. I just paid.
Why you got that one? Did y'all?
It was good. I'm not eating all that food, but I'm gonna get back to y'all. I ain't picked my camera up in a while, but I'm telling y'all that I'm finna go to Chili's, and then when I get to Chili's, I'm gonna record when I get to Chili's, cause it's a lot going on. So I just got the Kelsey House, actually not Chili's, and we about to unbox the wig. Packaging. Okay, packaging. Is this a silk? Bitch, what the fuck is this? This ain't my damn wig. Mimi.
No, that's not.
This is the pajamas. Oh. Oh, I was finna beat her up. Yours came with this too? 26 inches. Wait, cause why is kind of full, twin?
That's 26?
Yeah. It don't look like 26? Ew, and it's shedding already. Fuck no.
Mine was shedding too.
Bitch.
That shit, let me see.
Nah, that's good though, cause blonde usually thin as fuck.
I will never get blonde. What the fuck? Yeah, I don't look.
Okay, y'all. That's that. I like my blonde. All right, bye. Silly, y'all. Can I get a triple dipper too? But I don't want no I don't want no sauce on my mozzarella sticks. I want them regular. I want honey chipotle, please.
You say you want honey mustard?
We waiting on Greg, y'all.
Thank you. You want me to take these?
We finna eat. Our food just came. I'm gonna put it in time lapse so y'all can see. But look, the triple dippers. Let me take a pic.
Cozy.
We finna go. I feel like a selfie stick.
We can put that for the bathroom like this.
Look, baby, you gotta spin it. He can't be smart as shit. No, he didn't.
Can't be running around the city like you did it. What the fuck? Drop it soft. Why you fucking up my image? Won't hit it, won't quit it, won't sub it.
Yeah, they did.
Oh.
I feel like. You heard a ticket hoe?
Well, let's have my feet. Y'all, we finna skate. I'm scared. I'm eating funny too. I didn't get no crumbs in here. And I took my skates off. So, I'll get back to y'all next time. So some late night mean that mushy. My love don't mean that mushy. Do you feel better when I laugh? Anyways, welcome back, y'all. I've been going for a minute. It is July. My birthday next month. My birthday next month. What's up? Anyways, though, y'all, I'm about to go get my nails done. It is June 17th. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm gonna really get to y'all when I get to Mimi house, and then y'all gonna see, cause I'm about to eat. Yeah. Just got to Mimi casa, y'all. She look like Felicia. She be doing her clients' nails looking amazing. But I'm gonna put it in time lapse so y'all can see, cause I know she finna eat. Let me show y'all her nails. Show the other hand.
Oh.
Yeah, this is T. Says by Mimi, but look, don't play. Oh wait, it's not even focusing. Don't play. Why is it not focusing? Bet.
Me in that bed, give me hands. I want dance, just stay. Close your eyes, don't shed no tears. Keep it dark, close the shade. I'm off the pills, you want that lean. You fuck me slow, go do your thing. Let's take some peace, let's take some seeds. Play back, make a scene. She got the petty side, with no teeth. She got the titty side, she want the teeth. She tatted up, I see you sleep. I know you see, I know you see. You know I want that bitch. I wanna eat her head. I wanna lick it up. I wanna fucking eat. I wanna feed you up. I want them diamonds lit. I want it all on you. I want you all on me.
That's $20. But anyway, both of me.
Fall in love. Show me love. Show me love. You're my fly. She got a flock now. Got a squad now. Got a drive now. She club hop. Girl, you fine again. You fine. That's fine. Like diamond. I treat you like my last time, go broke, no joke. I cut these hoes off, I kill the roll call. I put the doors up, she like to show off. Them bitches sleepy, them bitches dozed off. I put a ring on, ain't got a ring to it. On my knees for you, why me do it, he ain't do it. I cannot speak for you, but I know they here for me. I speak your language, don't tell you things do it. Like girl, you dangerous, girl, I ain't seen you. Not till I seen you, I'll treat you like queen do it.
If you're not booking with Mimi, what are you doing? I can't wait to get my hair done.
You get them tomorrow?
But yeah, my appointment is late. I'm about to go home in a minute, and I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. Good night, y'all.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my mind, and my body, my body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? That lasts till my body's so crazy.
How about me and Mimi overslept because we did not go to sleep till, well, we didn't oversleep, but we didn't go to sleep till 3. Well, I didn't. We finna go to, let me show you how these little navy boots in piece. Let me brush my teeth. Okay, y'all, anyway, like I was saying, we went to sleep at I went to sleep around 3 something, and I had to wake up. I set up not for 6 because I had to get in the shower or whatever. I did get in the shower though, but I thought I was gonna have time. And we gotta leave around 7:30. We got some food on the way. Your mama called you. And yeah, we finna go in a minute. It's like 6 something. Yeah, 6:47. I'm so tired. Should I take that? Yeah. So Mimi's scared because the world ended tomorrow. They coming to the US. Mimi, they put the sauce on there.
It says no breakfast sauce right here too. No breakfast sauce.
It's napkin in there?
No.
I hate McDonald's. Y'all, it literally says no breakfast sauce, and they still put it on there. Like, it's either they don't pay attention or they just don't care. And you need to be paying attention when you work at fast food, because I could have been allergic. Like, what's up? The world ended tomorrow. They said no TikToks.
Huh?
Put a lot of that nasty sauce. I don't even know.
She can cash out?
I think so. I don't even know why. Yes, they do got nasty. It's such a dickhead. I don't even know why they put that sauce on there in the first place, because that don't taste like onions.
So that's not good?
No, it tastes like onions. Onion sauce. That's messed up.
I'm not showing you some cash.
Oh my god. That smell. First of all, that morning sauce is disgusting.
Oh, look at our daughters. This is Mimi Cat Honey. Is that her name? Oh, I see. Oh! Hey, Queen. I thought she didn't like people. Oh, you're just big. Bye. Do you want some orange juice? Is she gonna throw up?
You and me, I got you, that's for certain. We stay at G6 and feel like.
Why I dropped my bonnet on the floor? So I'm currently walking to get it because I could see it on the floor. Like, what? What's up? What if the lady threw?
You get some damn bites.
What? Oh, somebody was just riding this with our tail here. Yeah, we finna get. Twin, you really got this bright hair.
It's cute though, like it's big. It's cute.
Okay, my cousin on the way. We finna get our makeup done. Make sure y'all put butter on the face. Thank you. Makeup, y'all. Let's go next. And y'all go see. So.
I got that blues fever, cold as ice till you get near. You're like another fire-breathing creature. It don't burn how it appears. It's true, you can make me tell, but don't you forget it. If the person you felt won't ever do for reasons, it's only because you can't
We just made it to Lennox. Surprisingly, it's people in here. I thought it was gonna be empty. I thought it was gonna be just us. But I don't know where we finna go. We just looking right now. I do wanna go into Skims, but as of right now, oh, we need to see where we finna eat at. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when we doing something, cause we not doing nothing right now. We just walking. We going these Skims to see if they got what the queen wants. What the queen wants, she shall receive. Well, they got red. What's that about? Got the gray Skims, but I asked her to find me a bralette because I kind of want to try it on to see if I'm gonna like it or not. But we finna try these on. Oh, she coming. It should be. Me and Mimi finna take pictures in this photo booth. Should I put lip gloss on? Or you think that's gonna fuck it up? No, I'm gonna wait. Damn, we look grown. Like, we finna take pics in this Disney, bitch. So we just sit here eating. I got fries because I wanted a smoothie, but it was nothing in here that had smoothies. So I just got a side of fries, but they loaded. And they got ranch and bacon and butter. So,
Taking pictures.
oh God. I really hope the world don't end. I ain't live. Those are good. be the end of the vlog because I know I'm not gonna be able to record there because we're gonna be late. But this is the look, and we're so cute, and we're the queens. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Period, the queens. It's a real word. Okay, even though that wasn't the end, this is the end right here. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. I'm gonna try to put in some clips from the photo shoot so y'all can see. I'm so ready for the pictures, but yeah, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and yeah.